Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Tip Friday. I'm Kurt Staley, that plastics guy, and I'm bringing you a tech tip, or we could call it a PSA. Not a public service announcement, a plastic service announcement. So today's tech tip, or PSA, well, it's relevant because we're into a lot of heat right now, and I thought I would do this again. This is a repeat of something I did last year. If you're in the southern US, hey, you've got hot and humid weather for much longer than we do up here in Canada, but I think it's relevant just to say it again. You may want to consider drying all of your resins prior to processing them. And yes, we know hydroscopic resins like nylons, polycarbonates, ABS, they have to be dried regardless. They absorb moisture, they need to be dried. But what about things like polyolefins and your polypropylene, polyethylene, TPO? Well, they can benefit from a light drying prior to use as well to remove surface moisture. You don't want to see splay on your parts, and one of the major causes of splay is excess moisture buildup somewhere in the material. So if you maybe dry them for, I don't know, an hour or so prior to use, or have a hot air dryer on the throat of your machine above the screw and barrel, and you just, you allow the material some time to dry and lose the surface moisture, you're just simply stacking the deck in your favor to get a really good part. It shouldn't take much time to do, and if you've already got the equipment fitted to your molding machine, be it injection, extrusion, whatever the case, if you've got the drying capability already on the machine or in your workflow, don't turn it off just because the weather's nice. The surface moisture, the condensation, the humidity, everything that you can experience during this time of year, it's another variable in your processing window. Why have it when it's so easy to deal with it? So that's today's tech tip. Consider drying your material, even if it's not hydroscopic, just to improve your odds of best process and best parts and best outcome and increase profitability for you as a molder. So there you have it. Take that one to the shop floor today, and do have a great day, a great weekend. I think we've got some more heat coming on. I think it seems to be that way, but I'll take this over minus 30 Celsius and 6 feet of snow. So what can you do? Anyway, take care, and we'll be back at you next week with another great tech tip that you could take to the shop floor. Thanks so much. Bye for now.